Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to test your microphone and hear your own voice. And now let's get started. To begin, locate the Start button, which is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on the Start button, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. Once the Settings window is open, look for the list of options on the left-hand side. Click on System. In the right pane of the System settings, scroll down until you find the Sound section and select it. Within the Sound settings, continue scrolling down. You will see an Input section. Click on the microphone that you wish to test. After selecting your input microphone, scroll down further within its settings. You should now see a button labeled Start Test. Click on this button to begin recording your voice. To stop the test, click on the Stop Test button. This will display the microphone volume. You can also play back the recorded sample to hear yourself. Click on Start Test again to perform another recording, and then listen back to confirm it is working correctly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.